Okay, let's see. Oh, my camera's not working. Hold on a bit for technical difficulties. Bill, why aren't you working? Like, great camera and all. It's just like my, unfortunately, I mean, it's a very good camera, but it requires me to get the video through a capture card, and the capture card is old. Alright, well, when in doubt, reboot the capture card. Alright, come on. Okay, let's try this again. Means I need. Will work. About to ditch the camera. Oh, I can get this to work. Come on. I may have to switch to my webcam. Not as good quality. Plug. Oh, fine. Are none of my cameras working? Are you kidding me right now? I have a webcam as a backup, and that's not even working. Well, okay, it works in Discord. Why it not working in OBS? Oh. Ah. Now it's complaining. Just I had to change scenes. Yeah, now it's complaining. It's like, oh, Discord is using your camera. I will get this to work. That's back. Resolution, because for some reason it doesn't want to keep it. Okay. So can I just have any of my cameras work, please? I think Discord's messed up. Not Discord. Bleh. OBS is messed up. I don't understand what is wrong with it. That works. Why is it over there? I got a camera. Okay. I'm just gonna be happy with that. I got a camera. Okay, now I need to actually get it where it needs to go. Please. Give me 1 sec. Put me where I belong. Actually, me accurately do that. That looks good. That looks good. I'm leaving it. Nope, I'm leaving it. Okay, after all that, hello. Welcome to my stream. I am working on a game. I actually don't think I don't think this was announced in my in the game dev group I'm part of. So I'm helping out a fellow guy from a fellow dev from our game dev group, Pentadragon, work on his game, which is called Kindred Realms. The idea behind it is it's a kind of survival game, but it's supposed to go from a survival game. It's more of it's a survival slash, not a sim, like almost like it's not much of a city builder, more of a, like, there's going to be, like, you're gonna try to survive and all, but you're also gonna like build up a civilization. There will be NPCs that you can actually command to go and get things for you. So instead of you having to mine the rock and all to get stone and iron and ores and stuff like that, you could have an NPC go and do it. Or you can assign NPCs jobs and stuff, and not too sure how that's gonna go yet, but it's a very intriguing idea. Let's see here. Double checking to make sure everything is all good and set up and stuff like that. Sure. Okay, good. I have specific Discord overlays for some of my friends from another Discord, and I need to make sure those are turned off because they don't have access to this Discord anymore. So. Oh, actually, speaking of Discord, I need to make sure that my default one is actually working here. Okay, I see my icon there. Okay, that's good. It works. I don't want to see my icon though, so we're going to rehide that. Just want to see other people's. Okay, I think we're all set to get into some of this. I have been working on the new input system. Or we were using the old input system in Unity. I am working on adding the new one. I think I'm almost there. There's just a few there's a few areas that need some work, specifically with controller support. Of course, this will probably change a bit down the road. Let me get the controller plugged in here. Go. Okay. Let's see here. One thing was let's try it out with what we got. Because one is like the menu, interacting with menu. Because I haven't tested that with controller yet. I guess I don't know if I even need to. Because with adding controller support, we need to like work on maybe making the menu a little bit more controller support friendly, but I don't know. Although I think that's one thing I'm probably gonna do. Dragon said that he oh, who goes there? Hey Wes.
Hey, it's Wes.
What's going on?
Just working away. Seeing if you're streaming.
Yep. I don't know if Pentadragon told you, but he has me helping with his project.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's kind of what I'm streaming, is working on his project.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep. Trying to get the new input system working.
Okay. Is this Pentadragon, was that the one that had
The Kindred Realms?
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Cool. Yeah, that's awesome.
Mm-hmm. A lot of errors showing up.
Yeah, that'll be cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I was testing out the at everyone feature. I didn't realize this. I think anybody could have done that, which isn't a big deal. Our group isn't gigantic or anything, but I assume I've been on channels where a bot got loose and added everybody and started spamming like a bunch of nonsense. And
Right.
I just know with Discord something can go bad pretty quickly. And so I've locked that down, though it's kind of strange because you can still at the channel as here and everyone.
Mm-hmm.
But I was kind of like, why can you still do this when I've locked it down in the permissions? And it seems like you can still do it, but it doesn't like send everybody a ding or push notification. So it's like there, but it doesn't, like you can still directly ping people directly, I guess, but you can't like ping everybody. I haven't tested if you can ping a role or not, although I think actually maybe you can. But either way, it's the at everyone at here that I was kind of more concerned about.
Okay.
So I think that's locked down now. So, and like I said, it's not a big deal until like we get a ton of people in here, and then Not even so much like people doing it, as much as like a bot getting in here and like messing around with someone's nice, undistracted day, so to speak. So
Right.
yeah, so should be fine. But yeah. Yeah, I'll be here. If you have anything, I'll watch. But otherwise, I'm just gonna finish up my day and probably grab dinner soon.
Ah.
So I'll be around.
I finished up my day.
Cool.
I'm working on my own stuff.
Wheats. Cool. All right. Well, I'm gonna go AFK for a bit. But if you need anything, just let me know.
Okay. Right. So lots of errors as far as the main menu, but I think Dragon said he fixed that. I actually need to get some of those fixes down. Trying to open D-pad down. Really? I thought I tried D-pad down. Well. And there's the UI stuff. I don't think we have any code in place to handle. Okay, so no, that uses stick and D-pad for navigate. Probably don't have any code to handle that anyway. Or at least arrow keys in the menus. Honestly, I guess I don't really need to work too much on the controller support for now, because a lot of our UI and stuff just in code, it just isn't in place yet for supporting that. I just want to get the new input system in so we could actually eventually do that, but I at least want to get the keyboard and mouse functionality the same. Which it is. I can still do like everything. You just can't do anything with the menus at the moment. Okay. I've already checked in what I have to do some Git work. Yeah, I'll just do that here. That's fine. So, no changes. So that's the new input system. I'll probably leave that. Anything else that needs fixed? Actually, I'm going to see if I can get... need to get his fixes in and merge them, because the new input system is going to be a fun thing to merge. Okay. It's probably going to be... Actually, no, that'll be easy to do here. I switched over. Yep. It's reliving. trying to think how I want to do this. Probably going to merge the bug fixes up to main. Then I'm going to merge main down to the input feature. These are all, yeah, let's actually, no, let's, these are local changes, discard all these. I haven't really done anything at all in that branch. Discard all changes. We need to merge. Okay, I need to switch to main. Actually, technically, I didn't have to switch to main. Well, yeah, we'll want to make sure these merges work. Merge into current branch. Merge into main. Bug fixes. Here we'll merge. Okay. So like it merged just fine, which is awesome. That's always a good thing. Cool. And now I'm going to switch to input system, and I'm going to merge main down to new input system branch so I can get those changes that Dragon has done. He was working on a test world, so I don't have to spend so much time loading up the current world. Can't automatically merge. Well, yeah. Okay. Oh wait, no, that's doing it the other way around. Still can't automatically merge. Okay. Merge into current branch. There will be 4 conflicted files with merging main into. Okay. Create a merge. Okay. Need to open it in Visual Studio Code. No, this is fine. Ooh, changes to mail prefab. This is going to be difficult. position. Angle transform. I'm gonna take his. Oh boy, that's a big one. An ID. I don't. It's in an animator. I didn't touch the animator, so I'm just going to accept his. This. Do the script. Actions. UI input module. Okay. This action event. This is input stuff. This I want to keep. Oh, wait, I can use. I'm dumb. I can use the arrows. Forgot about that. Okay, that'll make it easier. Oh, what is this? Game object. Get different components with different IDs. Transform. I wish I knew what game object this was. Oh wait, that's the mail. Okay. Well, yeah, it's the player mail prefab. Oh wait, so this is the parent one. Let's keep. Well, these are different components. Let's accept both. They have different file IDs, though. Just see how that goes. There's not much of a change here. I'm gonna accept main. Same thing for here. Yeah, main. And main. And that should do it. Save that, close this. Oh, I guess I didn't need to close that. I need to open. Okay, so placement handler. I'm glad this isn't a prefab. This will be a little bit easier. Oh, he made some changes in this too. Trying to understand a little bit of what he's doing. highlight building snap points. Okay. I'm gonna look at that file, like from main, and see what exactly is supposed to be the final thing for that. Where is that? Placement handler under player. Oh, asset scripts player. Okay. There it is. Wait, what did that say? Fixes 313. That's just a date. Okay. This is line 450. 450. Well, looking at this, because I had to change this because this had to do with the input. It looks like he changed it entirely. I'm going to go with his because he probably knows how this works. So there we go. I mean, all I did was modify it to accept the new input. That was about it. So I think that's all the changes we need to worry about. Did I? Oh, okay. I was wondering, like, did I miss one? Continue merge. Here we go. Merge successful. And push. Now we see if it actually still runs. Oh, maybe. What? Did a merge fail? Well, I can revert. Sucks. Merge, okay. Revert changes. Fine. Oh. Discard. You revert. I didn't really make any changes to the scene. So honestly, why did that auto merge though? Seems like it auto merged. Mm. Oh, I hope I didn't mess that up. Okay. Sweet. Hopefully this fixes it. Honestly, hold on. This'll tell. If I can actually log in. Hmm. Do it this way. Cool. Now this works. Ah, this is much better. Yes. Seem to be working, so the current branch to here, please. Ah, stink. Come on. Okay. There we go. That work? Yep, I got rid of those commits. Cool. Okay, so next, let's try this again. Merge main. Merge main into input. Oh. Hey, Rube. Oh well. The main thing would probably be it takes up screen space. Oh, this is a bit of a pain. Come on, Unity. Open. Okay. Guess Unity can't really be open for this. I have no clue if everything merged in correctly. You open Unity and find out. Or if there's a better way we can do our branching. Oh, sorry, this is a quiet stream, I guess. Things aren't really going as planned. Well, that started up. Huh. Okay. What am I using? Ah, that's not gonna help. There's a .3. I don't know. Okay, well, the scene loaded. Do I have the fixes? Actually, I want to make sure that. My stuff isn't here. Dude. Did I do it too far back? I think I did. So I got the fixes, but I completely lost my changes. That's awesome. Why? Ah. I'd have to do it again. Yeah, because everything's probably changed back now. Maybe it wouldn't take me too long to get things in place. It still stinks. I may have to do some research as far as our branching structure so things aren't pain. Oh, I guess let me double check that things still work. Did I have any? Wait, recently deleted files. Oh, no. Oop. So yeah, I'd have to remake a bunch of that stuff. Guess I could do basically a speed run on getting a bunch of that back. Wouldn't be too bad. Come on. If it wouldn't be so slow. Actually, that's true. If he put a test world in here, actually, if he didn't put a test world in here, I'm just gonna put one in here myself. Because the loading times is ridiculous. Dev testing, yes, please. Let's just switch to that. Okay, so it's just nothing. But that's fine. That's perfectly fine. I can work with that. The one thing we'll need is I need to make sure the network stuff is in place. Or the needed network stuff is in place. I'm not too. I guess I'm not too confident as far as my skills when it comes to like dealing with Git repositories and stuff. It's been a bit. I'll have to do some research and brush up on those. Main camera, map camera. There's the game man. The game manager's the main guy. I need that. Sound manager. Don't need the sound manager. Probably the particle manager. Actually, let's. Settings canvas. Because technically I could put it in here. Game manager. Come on, loading times. This is why I want to switch to the dev scene. And probably the event system, because I'll have to modify that. Okay. Okay, well, supposedly while that's building, I can get started with getting my input stuff back. Okay. Player input handler. Yep. Mono over here. Thank you. You don't need a player namespace. Oh, I don't even have the package in yet. Okay. Actually, I guess with this, like, because I know I had all the different methods for everything. I wonder if there's a better way to do it, because that was very lengthy. Okay, so I think I have everything here. I'm switching back to the dev test scene. Cool. I'm going to make plane because I need something to walk on. Ground. archive. Cool. Let's get game manager in here. Prefab, cool. Spawn location. Aha, thank you. Going to spawn 0 0 1. Okay. I need package manager. Need to make sure we have the right packages and have an update. I need the input system installed. Hmm. Trying to see if there's ways I can improve on the script that I just lost. I gotta restart Unity. That's right. Since I'm having to rewrite it, I might as well figure out, like, well, what are things I just didn't like about it? Save. One of it was having to make a method for every single action. Surely there's a better way. True. I could just send messages. The thing is, well, I wouldn't have everything I need. I do get an input value, but that's not going to really... C# events might be a good way to do it on action triggered. It's different between actions that have been fired on the owner gets called anytime any action is triggered. Because of this, and for the purpose of this guide, I'd recommend getting started using either. I mean, I guess I can use the Unity events. It's a pain setting all those up in the UI. There's a lot of them. I mean, I guess once you get them set up, it's a one and done, but it's still a pain. I mean, I guess I could try the messages thing. It's just I don't know what all. Because especially for like hold events and stuff, I need to be able to differentiate between that and a tab. And I don't know if I'll get all that info. Well, I can try it. Let's try it. Okay, so this is player input. Yep. So private void. Let's do on move. And it takes an input value. This guy. What do you have? Value dot is pressed. That it? That's just the value. I can't check specifics on the context. I need the context. So it's either going to be the Unity events or the C# events. And they're saying the potential drawback of using the C# event is differentiating between actions that have been fired. But you can get the action name from the context that is passed. Yeah, value.action.name. Okay. Then I could do that all through code, technically. I honestly prefer that. Yeah, I'm doing it that way. I mean, it's still going to be roughly... No, it'll be less methods. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Let me just grab this as a template to get me started. Thank you. So public player input. Okay, so Do a private start. Void start. Unstart. Unstart, please. You're not. Fine. Yeah, cool. Player input equals get component. Player input. I honestly don't need this to be public, or at least at the moment, so I want it to be private. I guess I could serialize it just to show it, but honestly, no, not really. There's the structs that I had made, which held every single action. I'll have to remake that. Oh, so it's just straight up rewired this way. Okay. Can we get consistency here? The modifiers. My event function. How about we just call it on action? Does this have any other nice on controls change, on action triggered? Oh, so it's all through here. Okay, cool. So there's our context. I want that to be called context, please. Depending on it's dependent on the input. Context dot, or it's dependent on the action. Action dot. There's name, there's ID. Okay. String action name. We have the name. Do a switch. On action name. Hold on. Player input dot actions dot input. Hold on. This is pretty good right here. Nah, I guess the actions didn't get kept. Making new ones, I guess. So we're calling this player input actions. There we go. So now I've got to re-add all these. Well, at least the UI stuff was the same. Okay, so there was move, there was look, there was run. There's going to be a jump. There was primary action. There's secondary action. Spell. There was. There's all the inventory stuff, but let me. Oh, there was interact. Interact. Wait, what am I doing? That is still in project settings. Create a settings asset. Thank you. Input manager. Yes. Over here. Interact, run, primary, secondary, the block. I need the block. Okay, I think that's it. Let me go for those. Let me get the menus. Inventory. Crafting. Map. Professions. There was a journal. Cool. To actually map these. There was a scroll. I think. Scroll wheel. There was the hot bar. Okay. Actually, scroll hot bar. So you could use the scroll wheel for the hot bar, or you can hit the number keys. I'm just gonna leave that down here. There we go. Okay. Mouse and keyboard. The run is left shift. Okay, yeah. The jump will be spacebar. Primary action is left button. Secondary action, right button. Correct. E. Set the keyboard mouse. Cool. So set to control, left control button. Inventory's I. Cool. Crafting was Q. Map was M. It's K, I think. Should be right. Journal is J. Hotbar is it pointer? Mouse. Let me go to you. I think they have it here. Scroll wheel. Scroll. Just mouse scroll. Oh. Oh, wait. I think I know why that's not letting me. This needs to be a value. It needs to be an axis. What is it here? Scroll wheel. That says vector 2. I guess. Pass through vector 2. Okay. There we go. This is number 1. This is number 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Okay. I think we have all that back together. Cool. What's with the ear? Use send messages. I want to do C#. Okay. check something. Remember, I've done it this way before. Or do I need setup code for that? Okay, so so I just did it that way. Okay. So then that's probably the way I'm gonna do it. Although I'm probably gonna do it too lower on this. So I just directed it to that. That might be best. And yet, I don't know. What I might do is, because a lot of the stuff is just one single line. Like this. So honestly, unless it's something like this, I'll probably not put in a method. Although, yeah, passing the context might be a good idea. Okay. I'm gonna do it two lower so that we don't have to worry about capitalization. There was a way to Is there a way to get the names? No, it's probably just gonna be best to do string. Okay. Well, got the giant list here. Let me just pull this up. Now I've got to enter all these. I also need to make the structs for these too. Which I should probably do that first. Player action map. I need to reference it. Trying to remember. I don't want to do it that way. Vector 2. Move. And I do want these serialized. Serialized field. Oh, that's right. I need to put... Yeah. Public... Their action map. Player. Map. Actually, that should be fine. Cool. On move. Just player action map dot move equals context dot read value. Okay. I need another one of these for the UI. There. Rename that. Oh, that also reminds me. I also need a. Do I still have that open? Because I know I had one for that. Switch input. Well, it's technically switch action map. Action map. Action map name. I do want to keep the current action map. Let's just do. I think it's just a string. And I want this to be private and serialized field. Cool. I do also want some. I do want the debug log. Cool. We need to get them. Back to that. Let's look. Jump, primary action, secondary action, interact, and lock. Locks could be interesting. Log, inventory, crafting, map, sessions, journal. Cool. Inventory. Crafting. Map. Professions. the scroll bar. Scroll bar is vector 2 as well, so let's scroll hotbar. Scroll hotbar. Cool. And then have our hotbar buttons. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 8. Okay. Ooh, there's a lot of our inputs. I haven't gotten to the UI yet, but that's okay. What I mainly need is this. A few of these. Case move, case look, which. Yep. There's run, which you're actually. Let's get the scroll hotbar. Cool. Let me stop a bit because now we're going into the buttons. So this is our run. This needs to be read as button. Cute. Run, jump, primary action, secondary action, interact. Block's gonna be special. Jump. Primary action. Secondary action. Interact. Block. So block's gonna be interesting because it's the hold. And let me see here. Here's the code that does the block. Zoom here. Block. So we're looking for a get button down, get button up. Which is basically performed and canceled. Unless this works. I don't know. Maybe that'll work. Try it. Although I do need to put the hold interaction on the block. Let's get our other buttons. The block. Inventory. Oh, that's right. Interaction is going to be a special case too. Forgot about that. Interact. Crafting. Map. Professions. Journal. Inventory. Crafting. Map. Professions. Journal. Oop. I'm thinking if I might have to separate these into might be easier to separate these and put this into a separate method for action maps. It's easier to glance and make sense. Inventory, crafting, map, missions, and journal. Okay, did we get the scroll bar? Yes, we did. Which all those are buttons, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what am I doing? Hotbar 1. Cool. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Those are all in place. As I said, the block and the interact is probably going to be a special case. Looking at 2, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna have to do special case for those. Okay, let me pull this over to our block button. I want to hold, and I think yeah, the hold time needs to go down. Too long. Okay. So now, oh, then there's interact. Interact's the fun one. If I remember correctly, it was a tap and a hold, which the defaults are fine. It's just the fun part is I need to make sure I handle those. Okay, so I need to make a modification for this. Because the block is going to be... So there's going to be a block down and a block up. And then our interact is going to have a interact and interact hold. Okay, so the block's going to be easy. The block is literally just going to be for block down. We want to get the performed. And for the block up, we want to get the canceled. That makes that easy. Oh yeah, I need to get debug in place. Well, debug logs and stuff in place, but I don't know. Read value as button. I wonder if it's... So I had a whole like bunch of different like another switch case and all for to do this. I'm wondering if it'll be as simple as context dot interaction dot... Actually, no, interaction equals interaction. Or interaction. Interaction. Is that it? Interaction dot no. Interaction. Come on. Hold interaction. Wait a minute. If wait. Is hold interaction. There we go. If it's a hold interaction, I only want to set this one if it's a hold interaction and... Oh wait, if it's a hold interaction. Yeah, I only want to care about this one if it's a hold interaction. Read values button. Else false. Better way of doing it? Okay. I mean, we'll try it. It's gonna be different. If it's a tap interaction. Okay. I will be right back. I need to use restroom. So I will be back in a bit. All right, we are back. So, got all this set up. Oh, I need to actually fix the methods, like the actual actions. Oh, I need to put in references here too. Um, yeah. Player input, handler, input. Cool. There went Wes. Okay, so input handler dot that handler dot player action map dot primary action. And secondary action. Lockdown. There we go. Okay, so I got all these ones. The placement handler has something. Player interaction, player movement. Yep. Let's get the player movement. So I need input. Well, that's the, yep, that's running. So let's get, we need to get a reference. Player input handler. Okay. This is our run. Cool. Map dot move horizontal, so that's your X. Yep. Tank movement's good. Okay. Interaction, here's the fun part. I need to get reference. That's the normal interact. And then this one's the interact hold. I think that's it for that one. Placement. Oh, that's right. I don't really have anything for this. But I'll have to figure that one out. That's the scroll wheel. Get axis. Oof. Excuse me. Oh, I didn't put anything. Oh, I think that's wanting a middle click. That's probably why it's not working. Get axis mouse scroll wheel. Maybe? No, it doesn't seem like it. Or it's, I think I did have that control on, as an axis. But it was still vector. No, it was a float. Okay. We'll put this back so it can actually build. Go back to Unity. I think this is supposed to be set access, so there we go. Means I need to go back to here. That's not gonna work. Let's go back up here. Fair. Yeah, we'll just go with that. Never mind. I was trying to see if I could rename it, but no, I can't. Okay, so input handler dot player item map dot scroll hotbar. Yep. Wait, that's a problem. So this one wants an access. This one wants... That's probably not going to work well. Oh, we'll see how that goes. Lost position. See, this didn't work well, so... What I did get working was change this to viewpoint array and change this to new vector 3 with 0.5 and 0.5. Oh, I'll let that one out. Same thing for here. Okay. Oh. Same thing for here too. How did he fix this? Guess not. Okay, these require the new primary and secondary. Okay. This one's done. Cool. I think I already took care of this. I also need to take care of some of the menus. Manager. Which I don't have any of the UI stuff in place yet. I need to modify it a bit more. Okay. All these are fine. I need to add Menu option 1, which I don't know what to name these really because it's I don't want to call it because it's like it's left shift. I've got 3 menu options: left shift, left control, and space. I don't want to name them shift, control, and space because that would make sense for like controller. So I just they're menu options or menu controls or something in the sorts. Nope, I need that to be left control. Menu option 3, and this one is space. Okay. Asset. Oh. Well, I'll have to, yeah, in the event system, I'll have to replace that. That's okay. So these are in place. I need to get these added to the input handler. They're here. Ooh, yeah, honestly, with how long this is, yeah, we're gonna do private void on, we're gonna do on player action. And it's gonna take, it's gonna take the context. Yeah, we're just gonna pass the context along. All right, so I'm gonna grab this whole thing out of that one and put it into here. And is it possible to fetch the current get the current action map? Yes, it is, but not from the context. Their input dot current action map. Can I do a switch on this? Because that would be freaking awesome. Wait, current action map dot name. That helps. Name dot to lower. Which honestly, let's just put that up here. What am I doing? It's player. Let's put it right there. On player action, pass context, and that's done. UI. Private void on UI action. We're gonna do a region, which is action events. Just for consistency's sake, I'm gonna put this up here. Cool. Not consistency's sake, but just kind of grouping these things together. Player UI. There we go. I need to get these in place, which that's wrong. Mean click on you. Value vector 2. Point vector 2. Okay. Actually, here's a little thing to show you guys. This is why I made a struct with all the stuff in it. Because you can do this. Organizes all the inputs here. Okay. UI action map. We need speed. Navigate. Point. Navigate, point, roll wheel. I think those are the only vector 2s. There's submit. Cool. Cancel, click. Middle click, right click. Cancel. click, middle click. I don't care about track device position or orientation. We're not doing a VR game. Okay, the menu options, that's all that's left, it looks like. Itch. Song. Okay. I think that's in place. Cool. I need to hook those up. Navigate. Oh. Cool. Yeah, navigate point. Again. Navigate point. Scroll wheel. Vector 2s. Now we have our button, which is submit. Ooh, lowercase, please. Read values button. Thank you. Submit, cancel, click, middle click, click, click. I will recover my progress. Click, middle click, and right click. Right click. Click. Middle click. Right click. Menu options. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Menu option 1. These. Copy this guy. 2, 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Cool. That might be all set. Man, that took a bit of time. Oh, I gotta be able to. Oof, that's true. I need to be able to switch those action maps. menus. Was it here? Yes. Have I not set that up yet here? I have not. Player handler input handler you here handler dot switch action map. Do we care about case? I guess not. Yes we do. So I'm going to enable player, then it should be the player one. And open menu right here. UI. Is that the only place? I think there was another one right here. UI. Okay. That honestly don't need right now. That's the dev menu that's not set up. That's the map. So input handler dot wait, no, sorry. Player action map dot map. Professions. Journal. Crafting. Inventory. I think that's it. There. Oh wait, there's also cancel. Yep. Of course, that is. That is the UI one. Dot cancel. Cool. Don't know if I got all the inputs. I think crafting menu. Yep. Okay. Input handler. Input handler. Handler dots. This is UI. Who's wanting mouse? So point. Wait. Think. Mouse position. Vector 3. Oh wait, I remember what I had to do for this. This needs to be a vector 2. And the 0 goes bye-bye. Let's not do that. Okay. I don't know if there's any other spots though. Inventory manager. Yep. Okay. Needs to go here. So input handler shift. So I think that's menu option 1. Menu option 2. Wait. That's still taking something out. Oh. There we go. Right, that's all set. Anything in these? Yep. In those, looking at the storage managers, like, yep. That's a shift. Okay, so. Cool. I hope that's it. I think that's it. Let's dock this over here. Let's make sure a lot of our stuff has reference to player input. Player. Like player movement, input handler. Action. Action. Placement handler. Okay. Crafting menu. Handler, there it is. remembered something. I need to change something on this script too. Mouse button down. I'm guessing that's our. Oops. I don't have that in place. Field player input handler go dot player action map dot primary action. Cool. Yeah, and that's all that was needed for that. Let's go back to Unity. Of course, now that hammer destroy is going to need the input handler. Cool. Oh, that's right. Our dialogue handler needs some the player input handler. UI dot, this is menu option 3 space, and that is it for that one. Cool. I think that's it. I guess we'll see if I run into any issues and all, but I think that's it. Okay, so hit play. It shouldn't take too long to load, yeah. Oh, we're missing. Yeah, we're missing some stuff. Okay, so we're mainly missing some stuff from the main scene. I think one of them is. Wait, our main camera doesn't have a cinema machine on it. Okay. I think. Here it is. Will that work? Probably not. Okay, so I'm missing something from the main scene. World. There's the main camera. We have that. Oh wait, sim machine. Oh, I probably need to set those. Huh. Okay. That's probably why it's not working properly. I need to go back and actually make sure those are set. Oh, it is set. Why isn't it working now? Wait. I didn't put the event system in this. Oh. Replace. And play all. Play. Console. Alright, so what's going on? Here's the thing of trying to switch stuff. Wait. Alright. I forgot. I need to make sure I apply machine. Input provider. And why? Better look. Cool. Is that the only thing? I don't think that's the only thing. Dev console. Well, the dev console is not needed at the moment. Yeah, for now, I don't need that. And then yeah, the photon stats GUI. For now, I'm going to comment you out too. Try this again. Oh, hey. Okay, so I need to fix. I need to fix some stuff. Object reference not set to an object. Let me guess. Okay, I forgot to set. I must have forgot one of the player input handlers. It's the manager. Right there. Okay. Next. You're trying to send. Oh, I missed one. Okay. So this needs to be set to input handler dot player map dot scroll hopper. I think that's it. I only see those. here and play. Did I forget the hotbar one too? Heads up display, hotbar. Let's do 0. Oh, there we go. Can't walk. Oh, I forgot about these. Input handler player dot hotbar 1. And we need to do it for all of these. Two, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go. Ah, and I didn't get these ones either. What's that? Menu option 1, I'm guessing. All right, try this again. Can't move. Oh, wait. Hmm. I'm missing something from the player input. Doesn't look like it. Variable map camera. Okay, so we don't have our map camera in yet. Oh, there we go. That was weird. We have that issue again. Okay. That's in the menu manager. I think the fix. The fix is get rid of these. Hide all menus. It wasn't working properly. It needs a map camera. Let me go to just a normal one and get a map camera. I will. Oof. I'll probably be ending stream here soon. Hmm. Fabulous map camera. Cool. this? Game manager. Oh. Wait. Has I need to adjust the terminals or settings and stuff so I don't get the icon. Oh, things are wrong. Ah. Do I not have him input? I don't. UI. Scroll wheel. I guess why? Oh yeah. Main camera. Pulling mask. That map. And I need to go to the player model, player prefab. Canvas. Map manager. You go here. And play. Excellent, excellent. We've got inventory. Yep. Oh. Something's still not. Oh wait, it didn't change. For some reason it didn't change action maps. I wonder why. Switch action map. So why isn't that working? Hmm. Yeah, that's weird. That should work. Let's try again. Check something here. Crap. All right. Well, I think I'm out of time for now. But I'll probably be trying to wrap this up the next go around. Hopefully I don't lose my progress this time. But yeah, so thank you all for joining. Sorry this was kind of lengthy and all, but Gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, I don't know if I might stream tomorrow, I might not, I don't know. I might just give it a day. Maybe I can wrap this up tomorrow before streaming again. But yeah, I will see you guys later. See ya.